In the vast world of global trade, the maritime industry is the backbone, powering economies and connecting markets. A cornerstone of our global economy, it's a sector ripe for innovation and digital transformation. Yet, this crucial industry faces significant challenges that need urgent solutions. Operational inefficiencies, regulatory compliance, and outdated systems plague the maritime industry. These hurdles, like anchors, weigh heavily, hindering progress and innovation. But fear not. Deep Digital Marine steps in here, providing innovative digital solutions to transform the maritime industry. Deep Digital Marine is revolutionizing the maritime industry with digitalization and blockchain technology. Our innovative solutions, such as document digitalization and smart contracts, are paving the way for a new era of efficiency. Imagine a world where maritime operations are streamlined, with paperwork replaced by secure and traceable digital documents. Picture contracts that execute themselves, minimizing errors and disputes. These aren't just ideas, they're our reality. Our solutions not only enhance operational efficiency, but also ensure security and sustainability. Harnessing the power of blockchain and AI, we are redefining maritime operations. Blockchain, with its decentralized nature, enhances security by ensuring immutable data records. It also fosters efficiency through smart contracts, streamlining transactions and reducing bureaucratic hurdles. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence optimizes operations, predicting patterns and enabling proactive decision-making. Together, these two powerhouses transform the maritime industry, making it safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. Our technology is not just a concept, it's already making waves in the real world. Deep Digital Marine is embarking on a pioneering journey to revolutionize maritime operations across the globe. As we launch our project, we eagerly anticipate crafting a legacy of success stories and testimonials. Our focus on streamlining processes and ensuring regulatory compliance positions us at the helm of innovation. This moment marks the dawn of our voyage. We envision a future where maritime operations are at the heart of digitalization and blockchain technology. Imagine an industry transformed where efficiency, security, and sustainability reign supreme. Join Deep Digital Marine in navigating towards a digitally advanced maritime future. Collaborate, invest, transform.